Your entry door is one of the most important features of your home. It provides security, insulation, and curb appeal, all while standing up to daily exposure to the elements. In areas where moisture and humidity are common concerns, choosing the right entry door becomes even more critical. For homeowners in Covington, selecting an entry door designed for coastal or high moisture exposure helps protect comfort, performance, and long-term durability. Why moisture resistance matters. High humidity and frequent moisture exposure can take a toll on certain building materials. In Covington homes, entry doors that are not designed for moisture-prone environments may swell, warp, crack, or deteriorate over time. These issues can affect not only appearance but also how well the door seals and locks. A moisture-resistant entry door helps prevent these problems and ensures reliable performance year after year. Choosing the right door material selection plays a major role in how well a door handles humidity. Modern fiberglass and steel entry doors are popular choices for Covington homeowners because they resist warping and are less susceptible to moisture damage compared to traditional wood. These materials maintain their structural integrity even when exposed to fluctuating humidity levels. Fiberglass doors, in particular, offer the added benefit of replicating the look of natural wood while providing improved resistance to moisture. Protective finishes and coatings beyond the core material, the door's finish also matters. Entry doors designed for Covington homes often feature factory-applied finishes that provide an added layer of protection against moisture exposure. These finishes help prevent peeling, cracking, and fading over time. Choosing a door with a durable protective coating supports both appearance and longevity. Tight seals for weather protection. Moisture doesn't just affect the surface, it can also enter through gaps around the frame. High-quality entry doors for Covington homes are installed with advanced weather stripping and secure sealing systems. These seals help block moisture infiltration while also improving energy efficiency. Proper installation ensures that the door sits tightly within the frame, minimizing the risk of water intrusion. Durable hardware for humid conditions. Hardware components are also exposed to humidity. Covington homeowners should look for corrosion-resistant hinges, locks, and handles that are designed to withstand moisture without degrading. Durable hardware ensures smooth operation and long-term reliability. Supporting indoor comfort. Moisture-resistant entry doors contribute to a more stable indoor environment. By preventing water and humid air from entering, Covington homes maintain consistent comfort levels throughout the year. A properly sealed door also helps reduce drafts and temperature fluctuations. Enhancing curb appeal. Moisture exposure can cause some doors to lose their finish or structural shape over time. Choosing a door designed for Covington's conditions helps maintain a polished, attractive exterior appearance. Entry doors that resist wear continue to enhance curb appeal without requiring frequent repairs or refinishing. Long-term value and protection. An entry door is an investment in your home's security and performance. For Covington homeowners, selecting a door built to handle high moisture exposure ensures lasting durability. With moisture-resistant materials, protective finishes, and proper installation, your entry door will continue to perform reliably while maintaining its visual appeal. A smart choice for lasting performance. Homes exposed to humidity and moisture require thoughtful material selection. By choosing entry doors designed for coastal or high moisture conditions, Covington homeowners protect their property, enhance comfort, and preserve long-term value. With the right door in place, your home remains secure, efficient, and beautiful, no matter the environment outside.